In this video, I will show you how to change the board background color in Miro. First, log into your Miro account. Next, open the board you want to customize. On the top portion of your screen, you will see the board name, for example, My First Board. Right next to it, click on the three dotted icon to open a drop-down menu. A list of options will appear. From there, click on Board and another small pop-up window will show up with several customization options. Look for background color and click on it. You will then see a palette of different color choices. Pick one that best suits your theme or preference. Once you select a color, it will automatically apply to your entire board background. You can always change it again anytime if you want a new look. And that's how to change the board background color in Miro.